Luscombe Suzuki Leeds are pleased to offer for sale YB67 HYN 1.6 Sat Vitara. The car's finished in cosmic black pearl, alloy wheels and rear tinted glass. The interior is finished in black and grey cloth. Comes with a Sat Nav, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth audio streaming. On the steering wheel you have there your volume buttons and your channel skip buttons. It's also got speed limiter and cruise control. This is a one owner car with full service history. Luscombe Suzuki Leeds fully service all their cars before they go to the new owner and offer 12 months MOT if the car needs it. Thank you for watching.